Do you think you're styling your grey suit correctly? Most men make the same 3 mistakes without even realizing it. I used to make these mistakes too, until I learned what actually works. Here are the biggest grey suit mistakes I see. First, construction is everything. Quality fabric with proper tailoring creates natural drape, clean lines, and actually improves with wear. When you invest in good construction, you look sharp, regardless of what you paid. This foundation determines your entire silhouette. Second, accessory balance. Grey suits are neutral, so they give accessories room to shine. You can choose both accessories, but pick one focal point, bow tie or statement watch, or patterned pocket square. Keep the harmony and don't go overboard. We want sophistication, not distraction. Third, wrong shade for the occasion. Light grey to an evening event looks slightly inappropriate. Charcoal to a beach wedding looks stuffy. Match the shade to the formality level. So which grey suit should you buy first? Here's my recommendation based on which one will actually get worn the most. For most people, start with mid-grey. Most versatile, works year-round, handles both formal and casual styling. You will get the most wear out of it. If you live somewhere warm, consider light grey first. Less somber, more opportunities to wear it, still handles formal situations. If your work is very formal, go with charcoal. It has the authority you need while avoiding the funeral look of black suits.